share my experience in some personality development sessions I had been attending recently. I had been doing this course with Miss Sandhya Bajaj, and I feel this is a course that really helped me a lot. We talked about presentation and communication skills mainly. So this course pointed out the things you should do while giving a presentation or while talking to someone. So basically I feel that this course not only helped me on stage but also off stage. While talking to friends or talking to people, I feel that I've really opened up. Every class she would give us a presentation to prepare. So we would prepare and then we would present it in front of her. That way she would evaluate us and we could improve our own errors. This also gave me a practice of public speaking, and it helped me eradicate my fear or my stage fright. This was definitely a helpful course. It is also a course recommended if you want to build confidence. She was always very motivating and was always there for any help or guidance you needed throughout the week. Yes, so thank you Ms. Sandhya Bajaj for helping me develop these skills and helping me grow as a person. Few personality traits will definitely help me in the long run. Thank you a lot.